Winning races was the key to success in this business.
A physicist by training, Fox was an avid inventor and motocross rider.
At that point in time, the suspension, the shock absorbers weren't really up to the task, and I thought I can design a better one.
There's an honesty in numbers. If you want to know whether your latest design is better, you gotta run the numbers.
How many hertz?
73.
Check the deflection. It's got to be stiffer.
What's the velocity?
93 inches per second.
Open up the high-speed rebound. Let's run the numbers again.
What pressure is Gwyn running?
Right now we're gonna try 78.
You gotta have great performance. You gotta enable people to win races. For over 40 years, we've been running the numbers. And we always will.